Wall Street, New York City. Every single day, trillions of dollars move through these streets, not in cash you can see, but in trades happening in milliseconds. In the United States, trading mainly happens in two major places, two giants, two systems, same mission: move money. First, the New York Stock Exchange, the most famous exchange in the world. It's physically located on Wall Street. Real building, real trading floor. Over 2 centuries old. Founded in 1792, that's more than 230 years of history powering American capitalism. This is where blue-chip companies trade, stable, established giants that have been around for decades. Trading hours? 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. When the bell rings, business begins. And when the doors close on weekends or holidays, trading stops. The market rests. Now let's talk about the other powerhouse, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is fully electronic. No shouting traders, no paper tickets, just computers executing trades in microseconds. This is the home of technology, innovation, growth, the digital future. When tech companies surge, NASDAQ usually leads the charge. So how do we measure if the market is doing well or struggling? We look at indexes. Think of them as scoreboards for the market. 3 indexes matter most. The S&P 500 tracks 500 of the largest U.S. companies. When people say the market is up, they usually mean this index. If the S&P 500 rises, it means large American companies overall are gaining value. Next, the Dow Jones, just 30 companies. Big, powerful, established names. It's more concentrated, fewer companies but massive influence. And then the NASDAQ Composite. This tracks all stocks listed on NASDAQ, heavy on tech. When technology stocks rally, this index can climb fast. When innovation wins, the NASDAQ Composite usually reflects it. Serious investors watch these 3 numbers every single day. But here's the real question. What actually happens when you press buy on your phone? You tap the button. Seems simple, right? The signal leaves your phone instantly. It travels through secure digital networks in milliseconds. Your order reaches powerful exchange servers. On the other side, there's a seller ready to trade. Money moves one direction, shares move the other. That's an exchange. If prices are rising, you see gains on your screen. If prices fall, you feel the drop instantly. NYSE and NASDAQ, different structures, same purpose. Capital flows constantly between buyers and sellers. During market hours, this system never sleeps. After hours, the pace slows, but the machines are still ready. Analysts track trends all day long. Bulls push prices higher, bears push prices lower. That's market psychology. All of it powered by digital infrastructure. Millions of investors, each making their own decisions. When optimism spreads, markets rise. When fear takes over, markets fall. Those 3 major indexes, they tell the story in real time. Old school exchange, modern electronic exchange. 2 paths, 1 financial system. And every trade starts the same way, with 1 tap on your screen.